So we dropped the video yesterday with the Alpine Star interview with Eli Tomac, saying that he thinks there's some racing in his future. His injury's healing up faster than normal. He's ahead of the curve. But we've heard a little more here just since then. There were posts like this getting shared around everywhere yesterday. This is a picture of Brock Glover with Eli Tomac's 50th anniversary edition Yamaha. And there were a bunch of these posts saying Tomac just signed a 2-year contract with Yamaha. He will be back. Not sure where that info is coming from, but we've got more. Here's a tweet from Steve Mathis with Pulp MX that says, ET says Wednesday we will know his plans. So apparently Wednesday, as in 48 hours from today, we should all have an idea what Tomac is going to do, which means, he already knows what he's doing. So be on the lookout and make sure whenever this info drops, you tag me so I can make a TikTok on it.